The Dog and the Donkey. Moral story. Once upon a time, there lived a washerman in a town. He had two pets, a dog and a donkey. The dog used to keep watch on him the whole day long. The donkey used to carry the washerman's load to and from the riverside. One night, the washerman was sleeping soundly. "Look, here is the thief." Taking chance, thief entered into the washerman's house. At the time, the dog was too fast asleep, so he did not bark at the thief. But the donkey was awake. He saw the thief and thought to awaken his master. So he began to bray loudly. The thief ran away in fear. On listening the braying of the donkey, the washerman could not sleep. He came out and could not understand why he is braying. To make him quiet, he started beating the donkey with a stick. The donkey was shouting in pain. But the washerman's house was saved. The moral: mind your own business. The beautiful bird. Story. Once upon a time, there was a king who was very fond of hunting. One day, while hunting out, the king came across a beautiful bird. The king was so impressed by the bird that he decided to take it back to his palace. When the king returned to his palace, he put the bird in a cage and hung it in his room. The bird was very unhappy in the cage and missed its freedom. One day, the king noticed that the bird had stopped singing and was very sad. The king asked the bird what was wrong, and the bird replied that it missed its freedom and wanted to fly again. The king realized that he had been selfish and decided to set the bird free. The king opened the cage and the bird flew away. The bird was very happy to be free again and started singing once more. Moral: we should respect the freedom of others.